चेंजर्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई एम योर सीक्रेट हेल्पर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, let me tell you that I am starting a series about CMD, command prompt. This is the first video of the series. This video is about the introduction of CMD. So let's start it. What is CMD? Command prompt is a command line interpreter application available in most Windows operating system. It is used to execute entered commands. Most of these commands automate tasks via scripts and batch files, perform advanced administrative functions, and troubleshoot or solve certain kinds of Windows issues. How to use CMD? To use command prompt, you enter a valid command prompt command along with any optional parameters. So this is the short introduction of CMD. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe and press the bell icon.